Okay, so the first thing we have to do to solve this problem is we're going to have to convert the feet into meters because the store sells the carpet in meters squared, and Jimmy only measured his room in feet, so all he knows is feet squared or foot squared. So the first thing we're going to do is convert feet to meters. We're going to use a proportion for that. So we know that 1 meter is the same as 3 feet. Now we're going to try and figure out how many meters will 12 feet give us. Okay? Now to calculate a conversion, we just simply cross multiply. So 3 times x is 3x equals 1 times 12 is 12. Now, we want to isolate the x. The letters always like to be by themselves, so in order to isolate x, we'll just simply divide this by 3, and whatever we do to this side, we always have to do to the other side. So we divide both sides by 3. That's going to cross these guys out. Now x is all by himself. We have x equals 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 12 feet equals 4 meters. Now we have to do the same for the other side, 15 feet. So once again, we set up a proportion. 1 meter is the same as 3 feet, and that equals x over 15 feet. We're trying to find out how many meters 15 feet will give us. So once again, cross multiply. 3 times x is 3x. 1 times 15 is 15. We want to isolate this guy again, so we're going to divide by 3. Whatever we do to one side, we always have to do to the other. So these guys cross out. Now we're left with x, which is what we want, equals 15 divided by 3 is 5 meters. So now we've changed our room dimensions. We have now converted it from feet to meters. So we need to find out the area of our room in meters. Now we just simply plug in the formula. Area equals length times width. So area equals 5 times 4, 5 meters times 4 meters. And our area of our room is 20 meters squared. So we have figured out the first part of the question, which asked us how many square meters of carpet will Jimmy need for his room, and here's our answer. He's going to need 20 square meters. So that means in all of this space in his bedroom, it's 20 square meters. Second thing we have to do is figure out the cost. So we take the amount of carpet we need, which is 20 meters squared, and we just simply multiply it by the price per meter squared, which was $24.99, and we get a total of $499.80. There's the second part of our question. How much does it cost Jimmy to redo his bedroom and carpet? It will cost him $499.80.